The first thing I want to do before I start skimming this is I've got my light on. I just want to scrape a little bit of the quickset off wherever I see it high, or if I see any little ridges on it, before I put the tight skim on there. And man, this construction light really works good for that, because I can see any little bit. Now I could run a hand sander or sanding pole on here at this point. I don't really want to do that because I'm in a kitchen. Once you start sanding, it goes everywhere. That's why I'm just going to kind of hit it quick. I don't want to just go over this kind of stuff with the skimming coat, because then if I have a little bit of a ridge, then that means I have to put more sheetrock mud on. And what I'm trying to achieve is only putting a tight skim coat on there, okay? Alright, so check out your patches, scrape them down, and get ready for the skimming. You know, it's not going to take you very long. Just get in the habit of doing this before doing your skim coat. Now, if you've got a large project or an area that's not in a living environment, say it's a new house or something, and it's not in a kitchen where everything's all out everywhere and furniture all around and all that. You know, if it's a new house, then yes, of course, at this point, you could lightly sand that, use a sanding pole, a sanding head, and do it that way, okay? If you want to know what a sanding head looks like this. This is a plastic one. You can screw this on a screw pole or a broom, anything like that. There's sanding pad. You take it like that, and I fold over the edges like that and screw it on that way, and I can screw it onto any standard pole. Now they also have these with metal that come at the hardware store, all one piece. So you can get them like that, or you can get a hand paddle which has a handle here, and you just use it by hand. Or you can take this and lightly scrape it around, sand it. You know, you can take it up there like this. If you've got small little patch areas, or you put that on a pole, and it's got, the thing I like about that is it has a swivel head. It goes that way and it goes this way. And you can do all kinds of stuff on walls that way. Nice, quick, and easy. But in this case here, I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to lightly scrape just the high edges of my patch area, and that's all I have to do is where my patches are. I just get up in there and lightly scrape, and like I said, all I'm doing is hitting the high edges. See, I can, with the light on there, I see exactly where I need to go. Just a few spots, just where it's high. I see little outside ridges, I can kind of hit those. I keep the dust down to a minimum. I'm just using my 3-inch little knife. I could use a 4-inch too if I had it, or my 6-inch. I could run across there nice and quick. I could take my 6-inch and I could just do this to my patch areas, and that's it. This part shouldn't take you very long, but it's a vital part of your project.